Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to the another video. So today we are making a lots of money in this expert option. So let's get started. Our demo balance is $3,559. So now I am going to invest $5, but not now. Wait for a best moment. So I am going to sell $5. So let's see what happened. Market going down. There are lots of people in this trade. Now I'm going to buy. Oh my god, our time has started. 26 seconds are left. 22 seconds are left. Market going up and down. It can reverse at any time. 11, 10, 9, 8. Market going up. 4, 5, 3, 2, 1. $9.35 earning from $5 amount. So now this time I'm going to sell $1. So now I'm going to invest $1. So let's see what happened now. Wait for a best moment. Now I'm going to invest $2. Yeah, our time has started. 26 seconds are left. Our demo balance has $3,563. Market going up and down. It can reverse at any time. 6 seconds are left. 2, 1. $1.87 earning from $1. So now this time I'm going to invest $3, but not now. Now I'm going to buy $3. Let's see what happened. $28 seconds are left for finish. $20 seconds are left. 18 seconds are left. 14 seconds are left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 2, 1. $5.61 earning from $3 amount. So now this time I'm going to invest $5. Yeah, I'm going to buy this trade. Market going up. Now I'm going to, oh my god, I'm going to sell $5. Let's see what happened. What's happening? Market going up and down. I don't know what happened. $18.70 earning from $10 amount. So now this time I'm going to sell $6. Yeah, I'm going to sell $6. Let's see what happened. 28 seconds are left. 35 seconds are left. 19 seconds are left for finish this trade. 15, 14, 30, 12, 2, 1. $9.35 earning from $16. Bad luck. Now I'm going to another try. $7. No, $8. So I'm going to invest $8. So let's see what happened. Now I'm going to sell $8. 28 seconds are left. 23 seconds are left. Ten seconds are left. 5 seconds are left. 2, 1. $14.96 earning from $8. I think today is a good day. So now this time I'm going to invest $4. Now I'm going to buy $5. 28 seconds are left. Market going up and down. 20 seconds are left. Eight seconds are left. 6, 5, 2, 1. Now I'm going to invest $5. Now I'm going to sell $5. Let's see what happened. Now I'm going to sell. Oh, market going up and down. 26 seconds are left. Fourteen seconds are left. 6, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. $0 earning from $10 amount. So if you guys like this video, then thumbs up and goodbye.